Why the Navy needs to speed backfit of its SPY-6 super radar on battle. Earlier this year, the head of the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command, Admiral P. Davidson, sent a letter to Congress and the Pentagon urging accelerated modernization of warfighting technology in his area of responsibility. That area encompasses 52% of the Earth's surface, including the Pacific Ocean, parts of the Indian Ocean, and Australia. However, Davidson made clear in the letter that his main concern was the rising military and economic power of China. Among the handful of initiatives the Admiral identified as high priorities was deployment of a new digital beamforming radar designed to greatly enhance the effectiveness of sea-based air and missile defense. Designated SPY-6, the radar will eventually become ubiquitous across the fleet, installed in multiple variants on surface combatants, aircraft carriers and amphibious warships. The most powerful version will increase the sensitivity of radars on future destroyers by 100 times, enabling defense against overhead threats that current sensors cannot track or target. However, it wasn't future destroyers that Admiral Davidson was focused on in his letter. It was the dozens of Arleigh Burke-class destroyers already operational in his command. DDG-51 Burke destroyers are the most common warship in the U.S. fleet, multi-mission surface combatants that can defeat undersea, surface, airborne and ballistic threats with the world's most advanced sea-based combat system. The system is called Aegis, after the shield wielded by Athena and Zeus in Greek mythology. Aegis-type warships such as the Burkes are essential components in any plan to blunt the rising threat posed by Chinese military forces in the Western Pacific. That threat today comes mainly in the form of stealthy aircraft, manned and unmanned, sea-skimming anti-ship weapons and ballistic missiles. In the near future, it will be supplemented by hypersonic weapons that maneuver within the atmosphere at a speed of a mile per second or faster. Military planners are not sure that Aegis in its existing configuration can find and track all of these threats. But equipped with a more powerful, digital beamforming radar, it could. Which is why Admiral Davidson wants to see SPY-6 installed on destroyers in his command as soon as possible. His letter states that a major operational requirement in the Indo-Pacific Command is to accelerate the modernization of the Aegis DDG fleet with solid-state and SPY-6 air search radars to compete against the advanced threat of hypersonic and ballistic missiles. The letter identifies several other urgent investment priorities in the region, but it's hard to see how the Navy can hope to deter China's rising military power without quickly bolstering its sensors for tracking the new generation of airborne and ballistic threats.